This is V from Canadian RVer. What we're doing in this one, we're showing you a very unique product that now Newmar has come out with. It's called the Canyon Star, but it's the front engine diesel. And it's a little bit different because what they do is on the back here they have a toy hauler that you can bring your toys in the back, and this door here will take you into the toy hauler. Let's see if it's open. Nope, that seems like it's open right now. But so this is actually a diesel engine, and it's a front diesel, very similar to the Super Cs. But this is what it looks like right now. A nice paint job on the outside, and we'll walk around to the front. So here you see the grille and the radiator for the diesel engine. And it's, again, the Canyon Star front engine diesel. So let's take a look inside. The entranceway is very standard. So we'll start with the passenger side. Very nice sitting area, all done in a very nice cloth finish. The passenger side, and uniquely right there's where the doghouse is for the front diesel engine. And you can see the hatches to get access to it. The dash has not moved to the total electronic dash. And here we have the Allison switcher for the transmission system. So very nice layout in this Newmar Canyon Star. The dinette area, and it has their TV across the way, which is up the dinette. Moving back on the driver's side, nicely laid out with two sinks. They have a single induction cooktop, which I believe is removable if you want to take it outside. A nicely Whirlpool finished microwave convection oven. The fridge is a residential fridge. It's a Whirlpool. Nice size for camping. Again, moving back to the bedroom area. Another TV. And the bedroom area looks like it's a queen size, I believe. It's an oversized queen. And the door right here takes you back into your toy hauler area. It's a little dark in here. I hope you can see that. But that's the toy hauler area. Moving back on the passenger side, total electronic control system from Newmar. And right behind here is the washroom, which has a nicely decorated shower with two heads, very nice. Single lever faucet on the washroom sink, and did a real nice job with the sink, a nice deep little sink. And the toilet area, medicine cabinet, moving up again on the passenger side where we started. So this is now the Canyon Star that was totally redesigned for 2023 from Newmar. And what they did is they made it a toy hauler and put in a front drive diesel engine. Hope you've enjoyed this video. This is V from Canadian RVer, just looking at the Newmar and seeing what they've done with the Canyon Star. Please subscribe, please give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video.